Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by finding a quiet place and sitting comfortably for 5 minutes. Set a gentle timer for 5 minutes so you can relax. Close your eyes and take 10 slow breaths, inhaling for 4 beats. Notice thoughts as they arise without judgment, like clouds passing by. Label each thought briefly: planning, remembering, worrying, or observing only. Return attention to the breath or a single word whenever your mind wanders. Repeat this noticing practice for 5 minutes to build steady awareness daily. Anchor attention to the breath by counting 5 for inhale and 5 for exhale. Keep sentences short in your mind and return to the count whenever distracted. Use a 3-minute body scan, moving from feet to head, to notice and release tightness. Name sensations clearly and let tension soften as you breathe. Try cognitive diffusion by stating the thought aloud and adding the phrase, "not ice this thought." Let the thought pass without acting on it or following it further. Build habits by doing a 5-minute morning practice and a 5-minute evening reset daily. Use short sessions to reinforce attention without pressure or expectation. Journal for 2 minutes, naming one worry and one clear action step to reduce it. Schedule worry time of 10 minutes later so intrusive thoughts have a window instead of constant intrusion. End the day by listing 3 things you are grateful for to prime the mind toward positive content. Practice consistently and notice gradual reductions in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.